Hi everyone, today we are going to doing part 2. Types of data. To understand the nature of data, it is necessary to classify them into various types. There are different types of categorization of data. Such categorization may be done on the basis of discipline. For example, science, social science, etc., in which they are generated. Types of data in science and types of data in social science. Data in science. Data with reference to time factor. On the basis of time factor, data can be classified into the following two types. Time independent data. The term refers to the data which can be measured repeatedly. For example, data in geosciences and astronomy such as geological structures, rocks, stars, etc. Time dependent data. These can be measured only once. For example, volcanic eruption, solar flares data pertaining to rare foliages are time independent data. Now we are going to discuss about location factor. Data with reference to location factors. Location independent data. These are independent of the location of object measured. For example, data on pure physics and chemistry. Second is location dependent data. These are dependent on the location of object measured. Data in earth science and astronomy normally belongs to this category. Data on rocks are also location dependent. Types of data in social science. Data with reference to scale of measurement. Based on the scale of measurement, data can be categorized in following: nominal data, ordinal data, interval data, ratio data. Data with reference to continuity data, continuous data, and discrete data. Data with reference to number of characteristics: univariate data, bivariate data, multivariate data. Scope of data. Scope of the data can be studied from the following points of view: utility of data, size of data, periods of data. So now we will discuss all that data in the next part. Thank you.